Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Mr. Ricey's videos. I do apologise, I haven't actually posted up a video in a long time, and I've noticed that. So I do apologise guys, really do. So today's video is just going to be like a brief follow-up on what's been going on my current rig, which you can see up there. So yeah, I've managed to do some changes and actually got rid of my GTX 580 as well, which you can see is running without a graphics card. Running under my 2600K processor at the moment, which works great. You won't be able to game on it though, but you know, certain things like video, YouTube and stuff like that, it's definitely good. Okay, but anyways, some of the stuff here you'll see it may not be related to my system at all. Some of them will, but after watching a few YouTube videos and getting some sort of idea on the stuff that I needed, such as headphones, an MP3 player, and I thought I'd, go for those particular ones since everyone has been raving on about it. So, starting off, is the pair of headphones I've actually got. This was shipped from Australia for 155 Australian dollars. It's the Audio Technica's ATH-M50s. Like I said, I've heard so many good things about it. Thought I'd go for them since I previously had the Dr. Dre Beats Solar HDs, which were okay. I mean, I think they're overrated now. I did have a pair of Pros as well, which was much better. For comfortability wise, it wasn't as nice as the Solar HDs, but for sound wise, it was good. It was very good. But for the price, I couldn't justify it, so I returned it and got myself a pair of these. So, yep. Next is my MP3 player, which I've already had a look, and this, like I said, it's not very known. I mean, from forums, I definitely seen a lot of forum reviews on this, and saying that these are the best MP3 players you can get for the sound quality and as such. This is the Cowan J3, how you pronounce that. But yeah, this plays FLAC. It's made in Korea. It can play all sorts of media files, but FLAC being the known best quality sound for music there is. This is a 32 gig, which I will be also inserting another 32 gig SD micro SD on there, so it will boost up to 64. Okay, so two of those so far, and some of the components and stuff for my PC. Right, so what have we got here? We've got some fused NZXT cables. These are the 6-pin. Focus that. This is the 6-pin video extension, or PCI extension cables. These are 45 centimeters, 450 millimeters, whatever you call it. So I've got 4 of these. You already guys should know what I'm planning on doing. So that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So yeah. It's going to be fun trying to squeeze that in the back of my case on that beast. And my power supply. Right. I'm a big fan of their previous thermal take, which is there. This is the one I'm using, which is a 650 watt. And seeing as I'm planning on SLIing two of the 6 series cards, I thought I'd go up a little bit more and went with a 650 watt. Since I'm going with a black and red theme, as you can see, the red actually really shows clearly on the power supply there. So same again, 750 watt thermal take Grand Tough Power, A+ gold, 7 years warranty, can't go wrong. Managed to get this cheaper than my 650 watt, which was very weird, but obviously got myself a bargain. This power supply will be on sale as well. Like I said, if you guys from the UK are interested, give me a shout, PM me, whatever. Give me a good offer, and I'll send it to you with the invoice, so you can get your full warranty as well. It's only been lightly used for about 6 months now, so if you guys are interested, make sure you do PM me. Alright, nothing in there. And we've got another box here. Let me roll this one up. Right, what have I got here? I got myself a 200mm Bit Phoenix Spectra Pro fan, which is going to replace the front Corsair one, which to be honest with you, is extremely annoying. Even at night times, you can just hear it. It's so loud, even on the low setting. But yeah, those are the dimensions. Obviously, it pushes an airflow of 148.2 CFMs with a noise level of 27.5 decibels. So hopefully that will be a change to the current one I have. Okay. And last but not least, the last box. I don't have a cutting knife, and I thought I'd get one from downstairs from the kitchen. Okay. Oh, be careful there. Okay, so open. So what do we have in there? We'll see. Packaged well. Lots of rubbish here, you can see. What do you see? It's a Asus GTX 670, not just one, but two. I'm going to SLI these bad boys and hopefully do some bench tests, and I'm planning on maybe ordering a GTX 690 as well next month to see what the rave's all about. But yeah, I'm still waiting on a few more things. 2 more Max fans, which I'm planning on modifying my case just for the 2 SLI cards. So as you can see, the card that the fan that I used to have here is going to come off. These are the stock Corsair fans, which are so noisy. They push a lot of air, ain't gonna lie, but just way too noisy. So I'm going to take these out and replace them with the Max fans that are coming in the next couple of days. So one's going to be there pushing onto the graphics card, which is going to go through, and as you can see, there's a fan right behind my case as well. So I'm going to have another fan right in between the graphics card, sucking out hot air. Another thing that's coming through is another solid state drive. I don't think I've mentioned that, but if I did, I don't know, I can't remember. Anyways, I'm going to say again, is a 240 gig SanDisk Extreme solid state drive. Managed to get it for 159.98 UK pounds from Novatech, from this company here, from Novatech. Check them out. They're pretty cheap and they're very fast delivery. I mean, I ordered 2 of these on Monday and they came on Tuesday, and it was a free delivery, 3 to 4 day delivery, and it came next day. You can't argue with that. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Any questions, give me a shout. Would be great to see what you guys think. And yeah, peace.